Hello, English 1022 students. That's really hard to say. I have to admit to you. That course used to be English 122 and now it's English 1022 because the state system, the state community college system needed more numbers for new classes. So, whew, that's hard to say. Y'all, welcome to my kitchen. I didn't welcome you to my kitchen in the previous video. And so I'm going to make this a little bit quick, y'all. You have probably watched some of the other videos of the class, especially the tour of D2L. And so I want to talk to you for a few minutes about something that you're going to see in Module 1. I'm scrolling down just a little bit. As you know, Module 1 is really about getting to know one another and the syllabus and getting started with the rhetorical analysis and lots of reading in the first week. Y'all, gonna stress again, 10-week class, a 15-week class, scrunched down, compressed into 10 weeks. So we have to move really fast, and I appreciate your flexibility because in order to earn your 3 credits and do the work that students would do in a 15-week semester, we have to scrunch it down, compress it the way I just mentioned. All right, so you see I've scrolled down to this sign up for essay workshop. You will workshop 1 draft this semester. And when you click on this link, it takes you to this website, which you're able to type in. You're going to choose 1 essay. Excuse me, my breakfast is kind of stuck in my mouth. It's kind of bugging me. I apologize for doing that. You're going to choose 1 essay, and you're going to workshop it. And what that means is you're going to post probably half of your draft. A lot of students give about a page and a half of a 3 or 4 page essay. And so you're not even posting a full draft, but you'll post a part of your draft. It's a work in progress, which means everyone knows it's not perfected. We're writing shitty first drafts. If you don't know about that phrase, shitty first drafts, I'll post that as a handout that you can read and look at. There is a very important assumption that I'm making, that the drafts that you post to workshop are in process. And that means you're looking for feedback from others. You have problems you need to solve in your writing, and you're looking for feedback. And so feedback usually means that other writers give you ideas for how you would solve these problems, how you could take the essay in a different direction, how you could change something that you've tried that isn't currently working. So you're going to sign up for 1. I'm going to say that again, 1 workshop. You're going to be a writer in 1 workshop. You're going to be a reader in the other 3 workshops, but you're going to be the writer in 1 workshop. So what happens is that you notice that the deadlines for each draft are posted for the corresponding assignment, and you're going to post your draft on that day. And then the workshop readers who are assigned to your group, you'll probably have about 4 to 5 people per group, actually it'll be 4, and they'll give you comments. And it's beautiful because you get many different comments, not just one person's comment who might be engaged or maybe not engaged. You all know how it is. You've done peer reviews in your past, in other classes especially, and sometimes you work with fabulous readers and they give you great comments, and sometimes you work with people who say it's good. They don't say anything else except for that phrase, it's good, and it's super not helpful. So the workshop works beautifully because you get comments from many different people, and then you get to select the comments that support your writing. You get to select the comments, the feedback, the ideas that you think would work for you as the writer. So you're going to sign up for 1. And there are 5 writers for each workshop. There are 25 people in the class, so it should be pretty simple. Just type your name into the one that you want to do based on the assignment or based on the deadline. So let me talk about the assignments very quickly, since I haven't done that in any of the videos yet. Rhetorical analysis is you, the writer, analyzing another writer's rhetorical situation and identifying and commenting on how the writing was made, how it operates, how it works. Essay 2 is a revision of a piece of writing from your past. You're submitting an essay that you have submitted for a grade in another course, or a piece of writing that you wrote for yourself, or for another reason, because you maybe sometimes students don't have access to older files, so you'll communicate with me about those kinds of situations. But you're going to submit a piece of writing, and then you're going to revise it. drastically. You're going to change the purpose, you're going to change the audience, you're going to add some different genres to the writing, and you're going to define your writing's exigence. Essay 3 is you, the writer, being placed in the rhetorical situation. I should go back and say the essay 2, you're a writer being put in the rhetorical situation, but essay 3 is more demanding, challenging than essay 2, because not only are you considering purpose, audience, exigence, genre, but now you're also considering and defining context and your medium, whether you will write an academic essay or whether you will write in a different medium, like a letter or a journal or a blog article, or I'm trying to think of some assignments that were submitted in the spring, a brochure or a flyer, or so any medium you want to use, you will use, and the topic should align with the medium that you choose. And pretty much, again, essay 2 and essay 3, you're defining your rhetorical situation as the writer. So I'm going to go back to essay 1 just to let you know that, we have looked at another writer's rhetorical situation so you can learn about the elements of the rhetorical situation, and then I'm challenging you to be in your own rhetorical situation for the rest of the semester. And so essay 4, again, most challenging assignment, defining all the elements of the rhetorical situation and adding one in, which is modality. So you'll be writing an essay and then creating something else that communicates your position on your topic that you've written about in your essay. And you have the choice of creating something digital or creating something that's handmade, which can also be called an analog component. So those are the assignments, and you're going to choose, again, only one to workshop. And the assignments are super exciting because you get to define whether they're academic or not, because you're working within the rhetorical situation. Let me know if you have questions, but you're just signing up for your workshop, and notice that it's worth 75 points, which is the same amount as each of the 4 essays are worth 75 points. So really important assignment, really important experience for you, the writer, to work with your workshop group, you identifying where you need help and where you need support, and those readers giving you that support and help. All right, talk to you later.